Once chewed, the bolus travels down the esophagus, highlighting the mechanical action of peristalsis in the digestive tract. As the bolus travels down the esophagus through peristalsis, it enters the stomach, where enzymes immediately begin breaking it down. Once the stomach breaks down the food into chyme, it enters the small intestine, where peristalsis begins. Enticements. As the orange is digested, vital nutrients are absorbed through the villi of the small intestine directly into the bloodstream. Nutrients absorbed from the intestine travel through the bloodstream to the muscles. Aided by nerve signals, the muscles contract with renewed energy. Notice the intricate connection between the nervous signals, the increased blood flow bringing vital nutrients, and the muscle fibers beginning to repair.